Hello everyone and welcome to my Clave video. Now I know guys this is not the usual videos that I do that I upload figures in salsa and bachata and footwork, but here I'm going to show some as we call it theory. First I'm going to show it straight away. I gotta see here in the camera that you can see I'm gonna play them very softly. This is a 3-2 clave or a regular salsa clave. This is what we call the rumba or the Afro-Rumba clave. And I'm going to explain to you in counts exactly what is the difference between one and the other. So you can do it too. Now, I have also a video where you can go and check in the info cards where how to hold the clave to maximize the sound, because some people, they just hold the clave like that and they're muted. There's a special way of holding it, but I'm not going to get into that because what I'm going to do in this video is explain in the shorter amount of time the difference between the regular salsa clave and the Afro-Rumba clave. And I'm also going to throw in what is a 3-2 and a 2-3 clave. Very easy to understand if you have a little bit of theory. And to check my guitar channel, where I've been doing since 2007. I have a lot of videos there if you're interested in music. And I'm also going to show at the end of the video an Afro-Rumba clave step, a step that fits on the clave step. Now, here I have written down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I know I'm not the best calligrapher, but what we basically, sorry, 1 second, I need to get my little pen. What we have here is the count of a dancer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now notice, I don't care if you're on one dancer, on a two dancer, Colombian dancer, or a Cuban dancer. This is music. Music is math, and math is always the same. It doesn't change. We change how we dance on them. That's a different story, okay? Now, what I have put on top are dots, if you've noticed. Now, those dots represent the hits of the wooden sticks, the clave. So, if we have a regular pa, 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 pa. Wait 1 second, I'm gonna draw a line, okay? Okay, here we go. And close the marker. I just put again on my fingers marker. Anyway, now here is a musician's counting, meaning that they count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 again. They don't say 5, 6, 7. That's why salsa, it's like most music, it's 4, 4, okay? So if we have the 3 clave hits on the first, what we call musically bar, if we have the first 3 hits on the first bar and the 2 hits on the second bar, that is called a 3-2 clave, because on the first bar we have 3 hits and on the second one 2. Quite easy to understand, yes? Now, if the 2 hits were in the first bar and the 3 hits were on the second one, then you have a 2-3 clave. And you understand that when you start the music, boom, ti, gum, pi, dum, ki, ku, gum, ki, boom. So when you start boom, ti, gum, and it has pa, 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 straight away you know it's a 3-2 clave. If you start boom, ti, and it starts on the 2 and the 3, pa, 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 then you immediately have the 2-3 clave. So it's because musicians have bars and counts. Okay, now I want you to give a little small attention to the second hit. I put it, this one is exactly on top of the 1, or exactly on top of the 4 and 6 and 7, but this one is right in the middle. This is what we call in music end. When we dancers count end, we usually mean the 2, the 4, the 6, and the 8. But the actual offbeats are what in between the beats, between your steps. So this is where it's a little tricky. Pa, 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 pa. But not so tricky as in the Afro-Rumba, because now I'm going to show you the difference in the Afro-Rumba. It's in this last third hit. It has a little delay, what's called, for me, a hiccup. So I'm going to remove this, I'm going to put an X on it, and I'm going to put right here the hit. So it's going to be between the 2 and the 3, and between the 4 and the 5, the third hit of the Afro-Rumba. Wait 1 second, I'll make a big circle as well, and make an X on top of that. So now we have the Afro-Clave, which is pa, 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 Why do I say pa-oop? That's how the Cubans put it, because it's a little bit hard to go that little third delay to learn it and keep it steady. So when the P comes, okay, pa-oop, pa-pa, that's when you have the hit of the rumba clave. Pa-pop, pa-oop, pa-pop. So if you were actually counting this in music terms, you would say 1 and 6, 7 between is because between that's nice, because it's between the 4 and the 5. So that little half a beat delay is the only difference between Salsa Clave 3-2 and Afro-Rumba Clave 3-2. Many people think the Afro-Rumba Clave it's a 2-3 because you can hear the last 3 hits together somewhat, but it's still considered to be in the first bar, so it's a 3-2 clave. If you like, go check that out. It's a little bit math and annoying, I know, but this really can help you understand the difference. And I'm going to do it now with a very nice clave that I got from Cuba. This comes as in one, and it comes out like this, and we have an empty on the bottom, and this is really amplified, so I'll try to play it soft. Now that was very, very fast, but I was still doing that little delay. So this is, even here we can play, of course, the regular Salsa Clave. But the hiccup of the delay of a half a beat is what makes the difference between Salsa Clave and Afro-Rumba Clave. I hope that, guys, enlighten you a little bit. I know it's not the regular classes, but as I really do adore music, as you can see here, I have all my guitars, my congas put out. I like to mix music myself, and everyone that wants to improve in dancing should pick up a small instrument, especially a percussion instrument, which is repetitive patterns, which is more easy to play than a guitar, for example, or the bass that has different melodies and stuff. And stick around, I'm gonna show you the footwork that fits perfectly on the Afro-Rumba Clave. Okay, let's go to that one, guys, and don't forget to comment and rate, subscribe for more videos, and if you have any other technical or theoretical questions about music you would like to ask, please ask. I'll try to make it as simple as this. See you around. Guys, this is at the end of the video, as I promised, the step that fits perfectly to. You can see I also have my other claves, just like a pistolero of claves. Okay. They're quite cheap. If you want to get the best ones though, LP is the best sound. Little simple step. Cross, step, kick with your right, and as the right is returning back, swivel your left knee in, then freeze everything and just twist out the knee. And if you remember, I said for dancers it's nice not to say 1 and 6, 7. It's better to go pa, 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 pa. When that P hits is when the accent comes. Pa, 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 pa. So if I put the clave, one more time. Yeah, and you can also use your hands and put them out. I put a little bit more diagonal so you can see the feet more. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this kind of lesson. Let me know. I know it's different. I know it's not my usual combinations, but I can bring more of this in between the combinations. So I would love to hear your comments, and see you on the next video.